Back with another market update, everyone. I'm going to be going over Bitcoin and Ethereum and a few altcoins here, as well as telling you guys how to get access to my $100 to $1,000 challenge. I am trying to take an account from $100 to $1,000. And you can copy trade me or just take the setups alone if you wanted. I will be showing you later in the video how to get access to that as well. But anyway, let's get started and let's take a look here at Bitcoin. So if we take a look here, I've been talking about this 30-minute trend for quite some time now. Basically, this 30-minute trend is my uptrend portrayal I'm using on lower time frames. So you can see holding as very nice support the entire way up. Even tested a couple times over the weekend here. So basically, as long as this 30-minute trend holds, I'm still looking for a move into 65K, basically giving us that higher high on the weekly time frame. Now, if this 30-minute trend does end up breaking down here, I will then be looking for a test of the 2-hour trend, which you can see is currently around 60K level. And then I would look for a continuation higher from there. If we end up losing the 2-hour trend as well, then we're probably just back to more chop and not uptrending anymore, because this entire uptrend here would have broken down. So if we zoom in here again, one thing I am taking note of here is we have kind of this range, low time frame range that formed here, and we put in equal lows here. We front ran this row, that previous low, and then we took out this high as well. And on the heat map, there was a bunch of liquidity stacked up here. So took out that high and then back down below. So I do think maybe we could see continuation lower here. I'm not, but basically as long as the 30-minute trend holds, I still have to look for higher. Now the deal is this 30-minute trend has been tested a couple times in a short period of time here. So I'm not too confident in another test of this 30-minute trend. I do think we probably see that continuation lower into that 2-hour trend, scaring all these buyers, and then having that move into 65K from there. So we'll have to see, but basically though, as long as this 30-minute trend holds, if it does end up holding again, I'm still looking for continuation higher to that 65K level. I'm just not willing to take a long once again here from this 30-minute trend. So the setup I'm watching for here is a test of this 2-hour trend here. So if we see continuation lower, a dip into this 2-hour trend, and then looking for continuation higher from there. Now there are a lot of people looking to bid 61K, so I do think we head just a bit lower than 61K just to flush them out. Maybe even take out this low here. I'm guessing a lot of people are going to hide their stops here, so maybe even take out that previous low. We'll have to see how how the setup forms, but then look for your bids there, and then look for continuation into 65K, and then range highs from there. So this is the main setup I'm watching for. I don't know if we get it. We'll have to see. But I'm very interested in taking that setup as well. Briefly interrupting the video. If you want to get access to my $100 to $1,000 challenge account that I'm doing and all the setups, we are up about 20% in the first few days here. So pretty good start. If you want to get access to that, simply go to my pinned tweet on my Twitter and you will get all the instructions there. Basically, all you have to do is simply sign up to Bluffin with my ref link, and then you can get 10% cash back on whatever you deposit into the copy trading. So simply sign up with my ref link and then just send me a DM on Twitter and I will send you a link to my Telegram and get access to all the setups. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Back to the video. Okay, taking a look at Ethereum here. Basically the trend that I have been watching for Ethereum was this 30-minute trend as well. Now we have front ran it on the way up here, so I'm guessing there's probably a lower time frame trend that we could be watching here. Maybe 15. Let's see what it was trending on. Yeah, so kind of not really trending on anything on it, honestly. Maybe the 5-minute. Yeah, kind of trending on the 5-minute here on the way up. So maybe it respects the 5-minute here, but basically this 30-minute trend is still a very clean trend. Front ran it here, but basically tested it. I held it as support here as well. So basically, as long as this 30-minute trend holds, I am still looking for continuation higher for Ethereum. As you can see, it has been outperforming Bitcoin the past few days. Not this entire move up, but the past few days it has been outperforming Bitcoin. So basically, whole 30-minute trend, still looking for continuation higher into that next level, which basically next level is $2,860. So that's the next level I have drawn. As far as higher time frame trends, basically the higher time frame trend I am watching is 4 hour trend is pretty clean. Let's take a look at 2 hour trend, 2 hour trend as well. But this 4 hour trend looks pretty good in my opinion. Yeah, I'd say 4 hour trend. Basically hold 4 hour trend. Still looking for continuation higher. And to the next level, you can see we flip this resistance level here into support and currently having that move higher. Now this is really the key area to get above, to be honest, this 2860 level. Massive resistance where we rejected from before. So we need to really see this resistance flipped into support and then look for continuation higher from there. But basically 4 hour trend and 30-minute trend are the trends to watch. As long as they hold, still looking for continuation higher. Don't really have any concerns for the downside then. Now, if we do end up losing both of those, that is not ideal. As far as setups, I would look possibly to bid, depending how this forms, but you could bid a test of this 30-minute trend. So we get a test of 30-minute trend, stop loss below this low over here. Now, sometimes these weekend lows do get ran, so we'll have to see how it forms here. But basically, test the 30-minute trend, look for continuation higher into that next level of resistance. Now, also, you could bid a test of this 4 hour trend as well. 4 hour trend hide stop probably somewhere around here, and then look for continuation higher from there. So that's the two setups I'm currently watching for Ethereum. If we take a look here at ETH BTC, you can see ETH BTC is testing this 4 hour trend, which it kind of has been holding as resistance on the way down. Also, ETH BTC still doesn't look great. I mean, actually, take that back, to be honest. It doesn't look great, but it is testing some major support here. So we are at least getting a bounce. So maybe it bottomed here. Who knows? I'm not going to bet on it that it's bottomed because it has been doing this continuously where it just has a bounce and then bleed lower. Yeah, bounce, bleed lower, just continuously doing that. But flipping this 4 hour trend would be a good sign here. If you could flip it and put in some nice higher highs here, yeah, that would start to build some confidence that Ethereum is going to continue to outperform Bitcoin. But otherwise, as long as it stays below this could just be another short-term bounce in my opinion. Okay, moving into Solana here. I just want to briefly go over this chart because a lot of people are very interested in Solana. Now, there's a lot of other charts out there that look better than Solana to trade. So, to be honest, I'm not looking to trade Solana too much simply because there's a lot better charts in my opinion to trade. Simply that we have this high time frame range, 125 support, which is somehow has been holding for however many tests this is. And this daily 200 EMA, which was holding as resistance, we have flipped that. So that is also good. And the 4 hour trend here as well, we've gotten above. So basically what I'm looking for is, as long as this general area here with its 4 hour trend can hold, I'm kind of looking for a higher low to form in this area. So we kind of have this 1 hour trend here as well. So basically, as long as this general area here can hold, I'm looking for continuation higher. I'd say the next level would be like 164, and then you could look at that $200 level. But basically just need to hold this general area here. So if you wanted to take a long, you could something like this, and then looking for continuation higher from there. That is all the charts I have for you today. If you are interested in a lot more altcoin charts, I will be dropping them on Twitter. I'll be dropping a bunch of them on Twitter if you're interested. So if you want to take a look, go ahead and feel free to. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And just a quick reminder, if you want to join that $100 to $1,000 challenge account, simply view my pinned tweet. Instructions will be there as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and see you next time. Peace.